Hello friends! One of my boat fellows is thinking about moving to a different state and selling his 1988 Searay 270TA Sundancer with twin Mercruiser engines. His boat is in such great shape that I decided to make the short boat walk-around tour while I have this opportunity. It's a super clean and shiny boat with lots of upgrades. Classic Searay powerboats are still the best quality boats with really solid and thick fiberglass hulls and cozy interior. Old school high quality with great design which looks beautiful even these days. Boat has high quality aftermarket aluminum radar arc, but he also still has original fiberglass one. I like that it's foldable. My 81 Searay has plastic grille covers, but this boat has grills made of stainless steel, which look much more fancy I think. Upgraded longer trim tabs which provide much more stern lift than regular tabs. Two very clean Alpha 1 outdrives with 4-blade aluminum propellers. Terry has some extra 3-blade aluminum props also. Swimming platform with teak inserts and new stainless steel retractable ladder. This is the water outlet for the two bait tanks he puts on the swimming platform when he goes fishing. Two transducers for the depth and fish finders. A lot of space with teak accents. Upholstery looks strong and clean. I really like these small soft hatches. Some water outlets for your needs. Two 100 volts outlets also. Two aft sliding windows for good ventilation and light. Huge captain's bench. I think 4 people can fit in here. Gauges panel looks good and clean. He also has some modern electronics which are not presented now. Terry relocated engines hour meters to the front for easy reading. Some space on the bow between rails for sunbathing. Let me show you Searay cabin and interior now. I really like the colors gamma of the interior and a lot of nature light. Aft sleeping quarters. All cushions have been reupholstered. Pretty big galley with plenty of useful work and storage space, fridge and stovetop. Two sitting hatches which provide enough of sunlight during the day. Stovetop is electric but also can work on alcohol. V-berth with some storage space and drawers. There was a little bit of a leak through the side sliding window, but Terry installed all new gaskets and seals. V-berth can fit 2 adults. Sailboats usually have much less space here. And this is the room of happiness, restroom with shower. dining area, and you can sleep here too. Sofa transforms into a twin bed. Two beautiful and super clean Mercruiser 4.3 liters V6 engines with only 25 hours on it after a full rebuild. Seacamp closed cooling system installed, what means your engines, exhaust manifolds and risers will last much longer than raw water-cooled, especially in salt water. Remote oil filters and remote oil drain plugs for super easy and quick oil changes. Two high-flow bilge pumps installed. Four Banks Knockout Genius Smart battery charger with 4 deep cycle marine batteries. This is 2 pumps water system for the bay tanks. Electric water heater for the kitchen and shower. Actually, can also heat up water using hot coolant coming from the engine. LED lights in the engine bay. Fuel system of the searay Sundancer boat was upgraded with 2 Carter electric fuel pumps and 2 Rockor fuel water separator filters. Automatic fire suppression extinguishing system. Freshly painted, very clean and neat bilge. Closer look at the aluminum radar arc with Raymarine HD color radar, multiple fish rods, holders and 2 bright LED lights installed. Boat has this huge hidden comfortable bench for all your friends and family. Nice stick around. Two foldable seats with cup holder and icebox between, like in luxury cars. Boat is very well polished and shines like brand new. I wish my boat would look as good as this one. I've purchased everything needed for it like 5 years ago, but never had time or energy to do that. My boat is all faded and oxidated. As I mentioned earlier, this 1988 Searay 270DA Sundancer powerboat might be for sale soon. Now it sits on double-axle 6-lux trailer with disc brakes. It looks pretty clean too.